Yeah, this is where the motor assembly is, and my half-inch tensioner bearing seems to be a little busted. Cold weather, PVC, not good. I'm going to come up with some half-inch, 7/8 inch inside diameter stuff here. But you can still see how it works effectively. As I grab this, the motor will turn it, and you can see that it creeps along on the belt. I'll try to get some good pictures here. And it makes the whole thing walk right on down the belt. Now the belts are just clamped on at each end, so they're not straight and tensioned and all that stuff, but belts just came in today, so I'm pretty stoked about it. But this helps get you an understanding of how that belt table setup is going to happen. So this is a 5/16 all thread. I didn't have a long enough piece, so I joined them together, but it's very stable. And it's a roller skate bearing, and those are pulleys, and you see all thread comes through. There's actually a bearing down in here, down inside there, so it balances yet again. And motor spins. You can see it moves the table away and back. And of course there'll be on the other end, there'll be another one on the other end, and that'll go through a belt that comes around here with a pulley set up along here, one on the far end, and it'll hook to the Z-car on each end of the Z-car. And the Z-car will travel back and forth on these guys, and the bottom set down below. And I slot fit a lot of my parts and what have you, so I have adjustments inside this, probably up to an eighth or a quarter of an inch wherever I have pieces I put through it, except for a bearing. Slot fit a lot of these things. Just it's a bigger hole than the 1/4-20 that goes through it. And there's this L bracket is done the same way. Yeah, it was an early test at something that didn't work out so hot, but hey, I have an L bracket down below, and I have one inside here, right up underneath there, and then these two guys are tapped through into the C-channel aluminum. And your bearing, not case hardened all the way through. I can prove that. There's the cut end right there. I cut that with a 4-inch cutoff wheel, and here's what it looks like when it's not. That's a normal end. In any case, this is Coogrrr's machine coming together, messing everything in a shop. And I hope these pictures in this video works out okay. I'll host the video just in case they don't, and people could do some downloads of it. Check you guys later.